Good morning, students. This is CA Aditya. Today I am going to tell you the direct tax last minute revision strategy. It is not just but revision strategy. I am going to provide you some of the important concepts. Before going to the examination, you should see at least once these concepts because they may come in the examination. There are some of the important concepts in the direct taxes which are to be compulsory studied by the students. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, start the video. The strategy is only for those who are not able to cover the entire concept of direct taxes in a single day itself. The direct tax is a very vast syllabus, so we cannot prepare the entire concept in a single day. So some of the important concepts or selected concepts are provided in this video. Please study that important concepts especially because they may come in the examination. Okay, all are important, but these concepts are more important. Okay, let's see what is the weightage of the paper in the examination. See, direct tax is comprises of 70 marks, students, and international taxation comprises of 40 marks. From these board two topics, 30 marks will be covering of MCQ and the remaining will be descriptive paper. Okay. Next, let's start. What is preparation strategy for direct taxes? First, always start with international taxation because it will comprise of 40 marks. Okay. It is easy to score 40 marks in direct taxes by reading the international taxation because it is a small concept. Because the direct tax is a very vast syllabus. In that, international taxation is a very small topic and you can score 40 marks easily. Okay. First, always start with international taxation, and in that too, double taxation avoidance agreement, 4 to 6 marks. Okay. Next, POEM, that is place of effective management. Okay. Next, equalization levy, taxation of non-resident entertainer and sports person. Okay. Next, interest royalty fee for technical services, that is for non-resident. Any payment to interest royalty fee for technical services to the non-resident. Okay. Next, continue in the next page. Next, in transfer pricing, that is in international taxation, the transfer pricing concepts consists of 10 marks minimum. Okay. In that, primary and secondary adjustments and thin capitalization, computation of arm's length price using cup and RSM method, that is cup method and retail sale method, then CBCR report, country by country reports, rollback provisions and advance price agreement, penalties and assessment procedure under the international taxation. Okay, these are all the concepts covering in the transfer pricing, and at least 10 marks will be coming from this transfer pricing concept. Next, now coming to direct taxation. Okay, in direct taxation there are so many concepts. If you want to score good marks in direct taxation, direct tax is divided into direct taxation and international taxation. Okay, in international taxation you can score 40 marks easily, but in easily means somewhat, if you practice you can score at least 30-35 marks. But in direct taxes, if you want to score a good marks, you want to do all the lessons. You have to do all the lessons because direct taxes consists of so many chapters. So I'm going to tell you some of the chapters which you should do definitely, as there are going to come in the examination paper. First one, the charitable trust. Most of the students are going to leave this chapter, but it is the most important chapter in the CA final examination. From the past 3 examination papers, the charitable trust question is compulsory coming in the examinations. Okay. Next, TDS, TCS, alcohol tax are also important. Some of the students are left in this chapter because it is important chapter, but students are neglecting them. Questions are coming from this TDS, TCS and advanced tax chapter also. So focus on this also. Okay. Next, matter. minimum alternative tax, alternative minimum tax. Okay. Next, 10 AA concepts. Okay. Next, ICDS concepts, PGVP deductions and total computation. That is total computation sheet under PGVP. Okay. Capital gains. In capital gains, there are a lot of concepts. Most of the questions will be coming in the IPCC, but in final section 311A, 112A, and slum sale, and section 45, subsection 4. Okay. There are some of the tax schemes like section 115B, AA, BAB, and BAC. We should focus on these concepts also. Okay. Next, assessment and revision and penalties, especially from section 144 to section 153. We should focus on these sections because there are very important and there are amendments from section 147. Okay. Set of provisions is also very important in the CA final examination, so focus on them also. Okay. Next, most of the students of CA final are thinking whether to write section number in the examination or not. See students, it is not necessary for all the chapters to write the section number. Some of the concepts we should write the section number. So I am going to provide what are the chapters to which you should quote the section number. So for PGEP, TDS, deductions, and assessment procedure, section number are required compulsorily. Okay. For others, that is remaining chapters, we are not required to quote the section number. And rule number is not relevant. Okay. And case law name is also not relevant. Just you should study the case law, that's all. And remember the concept in the case law. And case law number or name is not relevant, and the rule number is also not relevant. Thank you students. I hope this video is useful to all the students, and please subscribe, share, and like the channel. Thank you. For more updates, please subscribe. Thank you.